I'm going to start on this petal here, and I'm going to do long and short stitch. So long and short stitch is a series of different lengths of stitches pushed together, and they blend together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this top half where this line is, where this line comes up to. I'm going to do it in this darker purple, and then below that I'm going to do it in this lighter purple. So the idea is that when the stitches meet, they're at different lengths, so it's not just like a block of stitches and then another block of stitches. So you want them to kind of blend together. So just start by creating some different lengths of stitches together. A good rule of thumb is to do a long and then a short stitch, or a short and then a long stitch. And you're just going to slowly build your stitches up, again trying to keep in line with the shape of the petal. And you're just gonna you're just gonna slowly build them up. And if you create a gap, don't worry about it, you can go back into it and fill the space. Okay, so I've done like the first sort of row, and you can see they're all different lengths. There's not two together that are the same. And again, I'm going to go up to this line that I've drawn roughly. It's just a guide, it doesn't have to be perfect. But I'm going to go up to this line, so I'm going to create another sort of row of stitches, and I'm just going to build on top of the ones, or below the ones that I've just done, doing the same thing, short and long. And now I'm going to thread my other colour that I said, the lighter purple, and continue this on. So if you do have any other gaps that once you're done, you kind of like, oh, there's a gap there, feel free to go back and just add a few more stitches wherever you like. But that is how you would blend two colours with long and short stitch, and it is just long and short stitch as well. So I am now going to continue the rest of the petals, and I'm going to fill them in the exact same way. So I have now done all the darker purple parts just to save myself some thread, and obviously it saves time as well. So now I'm just going to go in and fill in the rest with the lighter purple. And that is long and short stitch. So as you can see, I haven't got any sort of big blocks of one colour meeting each other. And like I said, if you do have any gaps or anything where you might want to go over, just go over it with one single stitch and sort of blend it in. But yeah, that is long and short stitch, and next time we will be filling the centres of these with some French knots. So I'll see you then.